This presentation will outline the negative effects plastic pollution has on oceans and marine life. According to a report written by Sigler in 2014, there are at least 270 species of marine animals that have been or are being affected by the large amount of plastic that is finding its way into the oceans every day. Some of the most noticeably affected species are seabirds, fish, whales, dolphins, and sea turtles. There are multiple ways in which plastic pollution harms marine life. The most prominent damage is animal entanglement. Sea turtles, for example, swim through fishing nets and become entangled. The turtle may then continue to swim and grow with the plastic attached, deforming its shell and affecting its swimming ability. Otherwise, the turtle or another species may become entangled in netting or wire and drown. Ingestion is also a harmful effect of plastic pollution and is the cause of death for many species, including fish and marine birds. Marine species mistake small fragments of plastic for food and swallow it. The plastics then take up space in the stomach and food cannot be digested, resulting in death from starvation. There are also less obvious effects of plastic pollution that can be just as detrimental as the more obvious effects. As stated by Moore in 2010, some parts of the ocean contain pollution so thick that photosynthesis is blocked and marine plants cannot grow, which in turn affects the organisms that feed on these plants. So why should I care? Why should you care? Because we are the ones causing the damage and we are the only ones who can stop it. According to Shaw and Sarney in 2014, 280 million tonnes of plastic are being manufactured every year globally, and an immense amount of it is ending up in the oceans. 3.5 million pieces of plastic enter the ocean daily worldwide. As Australians, we are large contributors to the problem. 90% of debris found on Sydney beaches is plastic. Australians alone use 3.9 billion plastic bags and 600 million litre plastic bottles every year. The plastics are so far-reaching that they have travelled into territories that are otherwise unaffected by human life. The ocean's currents create masses of rotating water which are called gyres. The currents carry the rubbish along with them, depositing it into the gyres where it continues to build up, creating large patches of rubbish. There are multiple gyres in the oceans, with 5 of them being of considerable size. The largest, the North Pacific Garbage Patch, is approximately double the size of the USA. The problem of plastic pollution in the oceans is an immense one, but the solution is really quite simple. Most of the products made from plastic are designed as one-use only products, such as plastic bags, water bottles, coffee cup lids, and sandwich packaging. To make a difference, all you have to do is reduce the amount of plastic you are buying, reuse anything you can, and recycle when you are done with it. Why should you care?